Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today I'd like to show you the block that's called Spinner. It's a great one, has that wonderful pinwheel look to it, and very quick, easy to do. Here are the ones that I made for the quilt that I'll be putting together out of all my blues and purples. Here it is as a pot holder with a little bitty border. And here's my parts for the spinner. So you have a large triangle, the little square, and two smaller triangles. And this particular one, like I said, goes together relatively fast. We start with our square, our two little triangles. They're going to go on either side. And I like to sew from the 45-degree corner. I call it a 45, 90. Get my angles right. Because I can line up better versus trying to line up with a little tip. So it is lined up and I'm ready to go. There is one. And a quick press. A few things. Double check that I want to go on the other side because I'm creating a larger triangle. And again, I line up in the corner and so towards the tip of the triangle. And another quick press. Come on, there we go. And then I have a set of dog ears I want to get rid of. Just make it easier. Now we're going to sew it onto the larger triangle. And when I do that, I like to line it up on the outer corner because I know when I cut, sometimes my triangles aren't always cut exactly in the right place, so it might be a smidgen bigger, smidgen smaller, or when I sew, sometimes it shifts. So I always figure if I can line up this corner, then I can line up my outer edges. Still do my 1/4 inch seam, making sure that I cross right across the X on those two seams. I think I was off just a hair, but I don't think I took a bite out of it. Most important, I don't like it when I take a bite and you can't see the corner. It is there. I could have got just a smidgen closer, but it is there and I didn't take a bite out of the gray. To me, that's the part I look for. My sections are all sewn. Clip. So if I can get him in the right order. Now I just sew these together and I know you can handle that. And that creates our wonderful illusion of a big pinwheel, a little different twist, wonderful spinner. So once I have it sewn together, I add my border. It looks like my pieces are all exactly the same. 3, 6, 8. I did. Well, that's okay. I can trim them. I put 1.5 by 6.5 on the sides, 1.5 by 8.5 on the top and the bottom to finish off this particular block. Forgot what I was doing even. To finish it into a pot holder, I have my back. I have a piece of batting and a piece of Insulbrite, and that gives me that little extra thickness that I want in my pot holder. Put your top on here, stitch in the ditch, whatever method you like. Like I said, I like stitching in the ditch a lot. Sometimes I do a shadow depending on the size of my pieces, because this is a nice big one. It would look nice. Free motion, your choice. Whatever method you want. Once I have that done, trim this up, add your binding. Check out our binding video to help you put the binding on your potholder. And when you're done, you have a beautiful gift for yourself or for your friend. Thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction. Do check us out on our website at junctionfabric.com, or maybe stop into the store if you get close by. Again, thank you for watching.